morning, it's Diane from So Charming Quilts, and I am here to introduce you to our April quilt. If you've been following along, we're working on doing all of the 2022 calendar quilts with Robert Kaufman. This one is designed by Ariga Wilson, and it is called Stained Glass. If you're ready for spring, like we are, then this is the perfect quilt to work on. It features Kona Cotton colors, and I believe there are 18 of them. Yes, there are. Some of the fabrics include cream, ice peach, oyster, shell, ivory, bison, seafoam, and parchment. You know that if you have been following along with us, I like to organize my quilt. I use just a little piece of the salvage at the bottom cut off so that I can put it with the fabric, and then I can always refer back to that while I'm working on my quilt. I've cut all of my pieces, or I've cut all my strips, and I put them in bags, and I label my bags with my fabric so that I can easily grab those different bags when I'm working on different parts of the quilt. I hope that you'll join us. We'll have YouTube videos along the way showing you the construction with some tips and tricks. You can subscribe to our channel by clicking on the button. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook and give us a shout out. We'll have kits available in the studio. Those will be listed on our website, www.socharmingquilts.com. Thanks for joining us. Hope you have a great day. Bye.